In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Share My Location on iPhone. This quick setup makes it easy for trusted people to see where you are when you choose to share it. Handy for meeting up, staying connected with family, or coordinating travel. We'll walk through the exact settings and what each screen means, so you know you've enabled it correctly. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Settings app. It's the gray icon with gears. At the very top of Settings, you'll see your Apple ID banner with your name. Go ahead and tap that. This opens your Apple ID settings, which is where Apple keeps account-related features, including location sharing. Next, tap Find My. This is Apple's built-in service for locating your devices and securely sharing your location with people you trust. Inside Find My, tap Share My Location. This section controls whether your iPhone is allowed to share your location from this device. You'll see a switch labeled Share My Location. If it's off, it will appear gray. Turning it on will make it appear green. Tap the switch to turn it on. Enabling this doesn't automatically share your location with everyone. It simply allows location sharing to work when you choose to share with a person in the Find My app or in Messages. It's a permission switch that unlocks the feature so you can use it as needed. If you're prompted with an option that says use this iPhone as my location, tap it. This is especially important if you use more than one Apple device. It tells Apple to treat this iPhone as the source of your location rather than another device like an iPad or Apple Watch. Choosing it ensures people see the location of the device that's actually with you. A few quick tips to keep in mind. You're always in control. You decide who can see your location and for how long. If you ever change your mind, you can come right back here and turn the Share My Location switch off. Also, for the most reliable location, keep your iPhone connected to the internet and make sure it has a reasonable charge. Location sharing works over your data or Wi-Fi connection, so a stable connection helps keep your location updated accurately. That's it. Open Settings, tap your name, go into Find My, tap Share My Location, turn on the switch, and confirm this iPhone as your location if asked. With that set, you're ready to share your location safely and conveniently whenever you choose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.